Let's focus on Nalco. That is one stock which is in focus. In fact, metal pack overall has started unwinding a lot of long positions, and we've seen more days of weakness as far as metal stocks are concerned. Nalco is one company in focus, and we have the management joining us. So let's start by understanding your perspective on the current fundamental for aluminum operating at 50% capacity. In fact, one of the big players, Alunort, and Rusal has also indicated that our sanctions are maybe becoming a reality. Do you believe that supply side overall is seeing severe pressure and hence the pricing will be on the higher side?
Around 2.5 billion ton in a year it has got withdrawn. That means in a month we can say around 2 to 2.5 lakh shortage is coming now. And though China has also started exporting some of the alumina, but there are issues related to its chemical specification and testing, etc. And at the same time, there are also supply side, there are environmental constraints and regulations in China. So we expect that since this Alunort issue is likely to continue till the Brazilian elections are over, maybe somewhere around December. So this situation of supply disruption and shortage and sentiment driving the market will continue. And as far as demand is concerned, around 4 to 5% increase generally it comes in the demand of alumina, and that is going to be so also this year. So coupled with demand and also the supply disruption and shortage, alumina market is going to be tight in the year 2018. Maybe after the Brazilian election and Russell sanction, etc., getting petered out. So then only alumina market will again may become comfortable. But for the present, it is continuing in the shortage and will continue to be so till the end of this year. That is our expectation.
Mr. Chand, good afternoon. Now, in your view, how are you viewing the movement in alumina prices? At what price was your own last shipment?
Our last shipment was 582, and before that it was 670, and before that it was 718. That means aluminum prices have come down from a very high level of 1718, which was a historic high price for alumina in the wake of Alunort incident and coupled with sanction against Rusal, because Rusal is having its refinery in Jamaica, Ireland, Australia and also Ukraine, which have also got affected. And there was a strong sentiment in the alumina market and it surged to 718 in our tender. But subsequently with news coming that USA is relaxing the sanction, has shifted the deadline from June to October, and some discussions and negotiation going on to make some relaxations. The prices came down to 670 in the next tender, and then after that in the current tender it is 582. So there has been definitely a very highly unreasonable level of price. The prices have come down, but still the prices are high, I can say.
More prolonged period of deficiency as far as the entire space is concerned, aluminum supply related, because ex-China world inventory has been lowest now in the last 7-8 years.
There will be definitely shortage, and it is expected that this year, with adjustment from China stepping in and its aluminum coming, there may be a shortage of around 4 to 4.5 lakh annually. So therefore, aluminum prices may not surge very high, but it will definitely remain firm. And we are expecting that the aluminum prices may move somewhere between 2150 to 2250. And in that level, if Russell sanction does not peter out, then again it will start surging up. But we expect that the way the reports are coming, probably Russell sanction may get diminished, and in that case the price movement will be in the band of 2150 to 2250, like that it will be moving this year itself.
And how do you see carbon and caustic and soda prices moving? Because up until recently we had seen a rally. Do you think that this could perhaps continue?
Yeah, this caustic soda prices have firmed up, and in the last 2 to 3 months, it has again moved up from an average 41,000 to 45,000, around 7 to 8% increase, because of the one is the demand factor, another factor is that some of the plants are not operating. So we are expecting that at this level it should be there, and with the moderating of alumina prices, there will be little moderation factor on caustic soda prices as well. So in the coming days, in the coming quarter, maybe this caustic soda prices will little moderate, but right now it has firmed up with an increase of around 6 to 7% during the last 2 to 3 months.
Your alumina business has been struggling given the high cost of COP. Can we expect profitability in the next fiscal, which is fiscal 19?
Alumina, you know that as far as alumina revenue segment is there, it is very strong in case of Nalco, because Nalco has been rated as the lowest cost producer of alumina in the world, and therefore the margin will be significant as far as alumina is concerned, with the prices going up. And whenever the prices are going up beyond 400, 450, it is a very, very significant margin, EBITDA margin comes. So we expect that with this level of prices remaining, FY19 will have definitely very good results as in Q1 and Q2, and also the next 2 quarters where the alumina prices may little moderate. So we are expecting a significant rise of EBITDA in alumina revenue segment.
Encouraging. Thank you for joining us and giving us a view on the quarter gone by, the outlook on prices, as well as where your operations are headed. Nalco for you very flat in the session, but Tata Motors is driving smart gains on the frontline index. We're at 10,752. We wrap it up on the show. Closing trades coming right up.